Hi Totally Cuties, Winnie here. It's pun art time, and today we're going to draw a ghost that is totally ghoul to celebrate Halloween. So let's get started. To draw this very cool ghost, let's first start by drawing sunglasses. So I'm going to come right here in the center, and we're going to draw the bridge area. So just give it a little curve and another little curve right in the center. Then we're going to go up, and we're going to start to draw the frame. So I'm going to come up, come right across. As I come to about right here, I'll give it a little notch, come in, and then just go ahead and connect it at the bottom with a curve. So same thing over here. So it's all up to you, the style of sunglasses you want to give your ghost. So then about right here, just like the other side, little notch, and connect. There, very simple pair of sunglasses. So then let's come inside, and we're just going to give a little border all around. So we're just going to follow my outside, and same thing on this side. There, and I'll come in here and shade this all in so you can see a little bit better. There. Okay, so then right in between, I'm going to give this cool ghost a very cool smile. So go up a little bit with a little smirk and cap it off. Then from there, we're going to go ahead and draw the ghost shape. So I'm going to come to, say, about right here where the sunglasses are, and I'll just pick a point about right here and here. So nice and even. And I'm going to go up around these sunglasses with a big curve at the top. Let's just keep going. So about right here, I'll go ahead and curve my way back down. There, nice big ghost head. And now that I have the head in, let's come to this area right here, and we're going to draw the hands. So I'm going to come out, stick out a thumb, because it's very cool, and then come right back out. Flatten it a little bit and then bring it right back in. So same thing over here. Big thumb, come out, flatten, and back in. Then go ahead and bring this down. And I'm going to just give it a little bit of movement. So I'm just going to flare it out going this way. So then as I come to about right here, ended about right here, and I'm going to start to wobble my way across, and I'll give it a little tail. There's just so many ways you can draw it, but hopefully this inspires you to make it to look floaty. That's the whole goal. Okay, so that is pretty much it for our very totally cool ghost. And then at the bottom right here, unfortunately I don't have a gray marker with me, but you want to create a little shadow here. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw a little oval just to show you right underneath the ghost. So it makes it look like it's floating. Go a little bit longer. And I'll go ahead and shade this all in. But if you're at home, use a gray marker. And I'll change this to gray later. But you just want to create a little shadow right here underneath. So now the ghost looks like it's floating, right? And then we're going to write the pun, which is totally cool. So I'll try to write it around the ghost. So I'll start right here. T O L-L-Y. Okay, now I better turn. Ghoul. Yay, totally cool, right? So I'll come in here and thicken this up really quick now that it's all in. And like I always say, cuties, when you're doing lettering, if you're just kind of trying to do it freehand without using a pencil first, just when you get caught at the end, if you have too much space, then just make your letters a little bit wider. Too little space, just make it a little bit thinner, right? And one last thing, if you have a whiteout pen, you can come in here if you like and just give a little line right here in the sunglasses, like that, to just complete the look. So there, all done. I really hope you love this cute Halloween pun art, and I've inspired you to draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.